Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Ant-Man from the Marvel movies. We're going to do the new version, and I might do the older version later if you guys want, but you got to let me know, like this, and let me know in the comments if you want to see the original version of Ant-Man as well, a cute version. So let's start getting into this. I'm going to start with dome shape. And now I'm going to do the little uniform. Straight line out of the right, straight line out of the left is going to be the arms. Body. Draw little shapes, and so he has like the front of his vest, which ties down, and it kind of goes down the middle, and it has this kind of like interesting shape in the center, which we're gonna color, and I'll show you that when we color it. This belt's gonna have rivets in it, and his knees actually have this cool design, but I'm gonna just draw upside down triangles to simplify it down to what it is. The helmet over here looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do first with the color, we're going to move into color. If I'm going too fast, be sure to rewind or pause as you need to. This video is meant to be for beginners, so I'm trying to teach it to make it easier for you. But if it's not, like, please rewind it and please kind of go through it. I'm going to draw a thick outer border, and what that does is what it usually does is it gives it a very kind of strong profile, and it kind of brings stuff together, especially when you're dealing with robotics. I haven't seen the new Ant-Man and Wasp movie yet. I'm gonna try to catch it this weekend. I thought the first one was really cool. I thought it was really good, but it was like not my favorite Marvel movie. So I have a question for you guys in the comments below. Please comment to this. What is your guys' favorite Marvel movie out of any of them? So let's get into the coloring. I'm gonna use a Rose Art brand red colored pencil, and I'm gonna go over here, and this design is a big teller and will separate, you know, him from other designs. Those two lines going straight up from the eyes are a really big deal. You can use a red or maybe a magenta or even kind of an indigo if it's purple, but it'd have to be very near red though. Like some about it has to be red or pink. And I think a lot of the distinctive Ant-Man things will come from his color. I'm gonna color that one at the end there, and also the two lights at the top. A lot of that's gonna come from the color of noticing the character, because the character, it is also the centerpiece in the chest here. The character is a good design without color, and I know they kind of go through that, you know, when they design it. But I think sometimes it can look very, when we interpret it through drawings, it can look like a generic kind of character, like a generic fish man or something like that, or manta ray or something. Or it can look just like a regular guy in a suit. So I think the colors within our interpretation, right, of a simplistic drawing, the colors are what's going to bring it notice. So now we're going to go over here. I'm going to grab the black colored pencil, the same brand, and I'm not going to go too dark, because I don't want to kill the drawing. If you go too dark on the black, it will totally kill the drawing. Anything completely like silhouette, it's good for the lines, but and it can add to the drawings if you put like massive like black parts, but generally it kind of kills that area of, let's say, the canvas or the you know, the drawing, the paper. And I'm gonna change it for the top. Well, I'm gonna put these little dots here. I forgot, little red dot. But I'm gonna change it to this gray colored pencil, because I think this would work better for the helmet. The helmet's very gray compared to the outfit. The outfit itself is very leathery black, and then the, you know, depending on which movie, because they do change up their designs on every movie, I've noticed, like a little bit, or there's different versions of the suits, and that's kind of one of the coolest things about, I think, Marvel and stuff, is that they will change. I guess they do that with DC as well. They will change up the suits a little bit. They'll redesign them a little bit. I'm just gonna make that more gray. And that's pretty close to done. I might actually make it a little darker on the sides here. I should have left a highlight in the center, but I'll make it look like it's rolling up toward the center. So I might make these sides darker as it's rolling up a little bit. But that's a personal decision, so that's kind of up to you guys. But that's pretty much it. That's a really simplistic Ant-Man. I know that it was a little bit harder than my normal tutorials, but like I said, please go back, rewind, ask me questions in the comments below. Also, let me know what from you guys. But and comment, like, what's your favorite Marvel movie? I'll reply to every single comment, guys. And if you guys are on Instagram, follow me there so I can follow you back, or just talk to me. I want to reach out to the community a lot more, and you know, talk to you guys and see what's up. So talk to you guys later, and stay pencil sharp.